we have to find the area. So first we need to draw the graph of our functions. Let me draw xy plane. First function is 2 plus square root of x. We know that we can calculate square root of positive or equal 0 numbers. So it means and we have plus 2, so the value of our y function will be always positive. So the graph will be in the first quadrant only. And let's choose few value for x. For x equals 0, we will have 2 plus 0 is 2. So we have first point. For x equals 1, we will have 2 plus square root of 1 is 1. So we have 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is our second point. What else we need? We need here x equals 0. So we have, and x equals 4. So let's put 2, 3, 4. For x equals 4, we will have square root of 4 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So this is our fourth point. Our graph will go to positive infinity. This is graph of our first function. Y equals 2 plus square root of x. Next we have y equals 0. Y equals 0. So this is our x-axis. This is y equals 0. What else? We have to put function. We have to draw function x equals 0. X equals 0. So this is our y axis, x equals 0, and we have x equals 4. So this is vertical line parallel to y-axis. And we see that we got area between these four curves. This is our area which we need to calculate. We have here closed interval. Our area is between closed interval from 0 to 4. To find this area, we will use definite integral. A is equal. We have integral from 0 to 4, so we have definite integral from 0 to 4. And our y function is 2 plus square root of x. We have unknown x, so we have with respect to x integral. So this is equal. Integral of 2 is 2x. And next we have integral of square root of x. So we can change this to power function. So we have x to power 1/2. So integral of x to power 1/2 we have to calculate. So this is x to power 1/2 plus 1 is 3 over 2 over 3 over 2. And we have definite integral from 0 to 4. So we have to plug the limits of integration. Now we will rewrite our expression. We have 2x plus 3 over 2 in denominator, so it will be 2 over 3 x to power 3 over 2. And limits of integration we have from 0 to 4. First we have to plug upper limit. So this is equal 2 times 4, and we have plus 2 over 3 times x is 4, 3 over 2. And next we have to plug the lower limit is 0. So when we will have 2 times 0 will be 0, and 2 over 3 times 0 to power 3 over 2 will be 0. So we don't have to do this. So this is equal 8 plus, and we have 4 to power 3 over 2. let me write this. So it will be 2 over 3 times square root of 4 to power third. So this is equal 8 plus 2 over 3, square root of 4 is 2, 2 to third power is 8. So this is equal 8 plus 16 over 3. We can change this to mixed numbers, 16 over 3. So this is equal 8 plus 5 and 1/3. So this is equal 13 and 1/3. And of course we have square units. This is my solution.